I'm Varun, and I'm from the last June, Dehradun. I'm just working as an assistant professor here, and we were looking for this CSP lab which we have recently established in collaboration with ID.
I am Shubham Pandey, student of MTech CSP in NIT.
My name is Parvez Khan. I am studying MTech in NIT.
My name is Ashish Kumar. I guess from Institute.
My name is Rohan Paswan from the NIT PD course.
I am Purvi Srivastava from Madhav Institute of Technology and Science, Gwalior, and I am currently in third year from IOT.
I am Goparaju Mansa. I am born and brought up in Hyderabad and I am currently studying in NIT Arvind.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Sayam. I am currently pursuing my BTech from KMBB College of Engineering and Technology, Khurda, Odisha.
My name is Saurabh and I am from Manipal University.
Good afternoon all, Vikas Bhardwaj from NIT Delhi, technical staff.
Dr. Myself Ankur Singhal. I am a research scholar in NIT Delhi.
My name is Razin. Business scholar at NIT.
Myself Vikram Chakraborty. I am a student at NIT Delhi, MTech student.
I am Manomita Devnath from MIT University, Haryana. I am a PhD assistant.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Sain Bhattacharya from MT University, Haryana, and I stay in Gurugram.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Karthikeya Malikani and currently I'm pursuing BTech in Artificial Intelligence at Gautam Buddha University. My current area of interest includes IoT for agriculture, AGI and AI for health.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Shivam Pandey. I am doing MTech from NIT.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Shwan and I am a PhD scholar in NIT.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Arinjan and I am from Manipal University, Jaipur.
Myself Ashutosh Sukma and I am from NIT.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Vikas Kumar. I am from NIT.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Manish Mercy. I am a student of NIT. Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Shanti. I am from NIT. Electronics and Life Science.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Raghav Raj. I am a final year student at BIT Mesa, Ranchi, and I am from Ranchi.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Vishal Goda from Birla Institute of Technology in Ranchi.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Devesh Kumar and I am from BIT Mesa.
Thank you for the introduction and wonderful we see the diversity here. You people are from all around the country. So that is the best part and I hope so we will get loads of insights through the cyber physical system, mainly through an IoT that the course is focusing on. I would be sharing how the idea got conceptualized, why we are having such kind of cyber physical system lab, and what we mean by cyber physical system and artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, industrial automation, machine learning. You all mentioned about that you are having dedicated courses in that and you are looking forward to make career in this domain. So where from this training you can go? What can be the career choices that you can make? I would be sharing some of them. But before that, I would be talking about what IIT Ropar is doing and how IIT Ropar collaborated with NIT Delhi to come together and formulate such kind of a lab. Yesterday, I hope so everyone had a great engaging time at the lab and during your hands-on experience session with Deshraj. So take maximum out of it the time you are here, learn many new things. And some of you would be having number of ideas, you want to develop those ideas. You already had a session with one of our supported startup, Ubreen. Why we kept a founder session is to give you an idea how if on an idea you want to do a startup, how can you do that? So the founders that were here, his co-founder was not able to join today, but he is a student of IIT Ropar and how he approached us and how we created a kind of a facilitating atmosphere for him that they both came together and started a startup and now they're excelling. They're being credited at Shark Tank India and many other schemes they are being awarded. So it's a fabulous journey that they have started with number of glitches that came in the beginning and how institutes can provide you a kind of a hand-holding support mechanism. So I would be sharing all that. Wherever you want to interrupt or you want to have any kind of query, just stop me in between and I would love to have an interaction. So I won't be talking about anything related to technicalities that are associated with this course, that is Internet of Things. I would be talking about the environment that we are creating and try to identify what opportunities you all can get out of it. So we have number of fellowship schemes, we have number of technology projects, problem statements called, where during this 1 week time when you interact with the people who are giving you hands-on training, you identify some novel ideas there, like you talked about that you are working for AI for agriculture. So what can be the projects, what can be the ideas that you can work on, then you can definitely reach back to us. And Besraj is here, I am here, just reach back to us and then we will see how we can cater to that idea to develop it into a particular technology product or a startup event. Moving ahead, just to introduce what IIT Ropar Technology Innovation Foundation is doing. So the Section 8 company name that we have got is IIT Ropar Technology Innovation Foundation, but ours, as you can see, it's our nickname. That stands for, everyone can see, it's an Agriculture and Water Technology Development Hub. So we are dealing solely with agriculture and water, and we are bringing the cyber physical system technologies, all the IoT related technologies, AI technologies to solve the problem of agriculture and water. So both agriculture and water are the lifelines for not only India but across the globe, and we are solving problems, bringing automation. As you can see the pillars in which we are working. So any of you who have idea, who want to pursue your research or technology project or even an entrepreneurial idea in any of these domains, be it a water and soil quality mapping, be it a wastewater treatment, be it an agricultural automation, just connect with us, just connect with our team, and then we will together work out. And why we have created this CPS lab, where you will come, you get exposed to cyber physical system technologies, that technology have an application in agriculture and water, we would be happy to support you, we would be happy to onboard you also. Next, just to give you a glimpse how IIT Ropar Technology Innovation Foundation is working, we are supported under the National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical System. How many of you have heard about this mission? Yeah, any of the mission that government has been recently started, many ambitious missions. Most of you are working in AI. Anyone can tell me which latest mission Indian government has launched? India AI mission is one thing, you all should be knowing about it, and what all opportunities are coming under that, which all institutes are going to be part of that mission. It's very important for you when you have to make your career in this domain. So similarly, this mission, that is National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical System, it started way back in 2018, and we got support of nearly 110 CR directly from Ministry of Science and Technology. So what this mission is all about? Everyone is aware what is cyber physical systems? So bringing cyber and physical system together, hardware, software together working, it makes CPS. And then under this mission we are catering to number of sectoral issues, like we picked up agriculture and water being a food grain basket of the country located in Punjab. So we are focusing on bringing these emerging technologies for agriculture and water. So we are not only supported by the government, but we are also supported by many of the corporates. You all can see the name of the corporates. Dassault is there, Hexagon is there, Syngenta is there. They are the leading corporates. And then see the amount of support that they are providing us to build an ecosystem where you all, the younger generation, they can be well trained in all these domain areas, right? So in terms of what intellectual value we have created, the number of technologies that we are building, you can see we have nearly 69 technologies with it, out of which 54 products have been made. Besraj is here, so he is contributing a lot in developing these technologies, developing these products, and how he started. Of course, the components that you are exposed to, he also started with similar components, and then now they are making some world-class products that we are not only utilizing in India, but we are also deploying across the country. I will be sharing few of the case studies also, just to give you an idea what kind of technologies we are working on. And it all started with the kind of a lab that we have here. So it's an honest urge to all of you, just understand everything, just apply the creativity, just apply your brain and come up with something novel that fits into an agriculture and water, and we would be happy to take it forward. Right? So next, we can go to the next, we can skip this one, we can go to the next. How our journey started, we have nearly 200 plus partners from the government side, from the industry side, from the academic side. So being located in Punjab, it's not a geographical barrier. We are trying to reach across the country. Like we came to Delhi to set up this lab. Similarly, we are going to different institutes to set up a mark. Like we have our friends from Tula's Institute. Recently, we formulated the similar kind of lab in Uttarakhand to tap the talent which is present in Uttarakhand. So idea is that if we have such kind of labs across the country, students can come, innovators, researchers can come, and they can take benefit out of this kind of cyber-physical system labs. Then we have global partners and all. We can move to the next. So how our hub is working and what are the opportunities that are available for all of you. So first I will tell you how hub is working. So our hub is working in these 4 core domain areas. The first area is developing technologies. So if you have an idea, you're working with your mentor, you're working with your specific PI or your faculty member, whosoever you're working, there is some specific technology project on which you are working, you can come to us, we can jointly have that technology. We will be happy to support you financially and also technology, because we have a kind of a 25 lakh grant that we give for developing those projects. So that is the first opportunity. If you want to work on that specific technology project, you identify some project, go back to your institute, talk to your teachers there, and then jointly you can write to us and we will evaluate the proposal, and then definitely we can invest and we can jointly develop the technology. That is the first opportunity you have. That is the first domain area where we are working. Then we have startup and entrepreneurship. If any one of you who is interested to make their own startup, any random idea is in their mind, just raise your hand just to let me know who all are eager to form a startup. 3 of you? 4, 5, alright. Anyone else? Any random creative idea? You heard about our startup, You Breathe, how they had started their journey. They were also doing a kind of a lab work, and then something struck, and then they decided to make their own startup. Of course, start thinking about that. If you get some novel idea, you want to work on that idea, so we will be providing you a hand-holding journey. So we will be giving you a kind of a fellowship that we call as EIR, that is Entrepreneur in Residence. In that, you decided that you want to make something out of the idea that you're working or a project that you're working. You see it has a potential and you're very crazy that you want to form a startup. Then just write to us if we see the same potential in your idea. I'm not saying that you have to develop a prototype or a product, but a potential and a craziness is in you. Then we will offer you an Entrepreneur in Residence. That is 30,000 fellowship amount that we give for 6 months, in which in these 6 months you have to decide you want to pursue as a startup or not. And once you decide, then we will provide you support to formulate a company. Many other things that is required for a startup journey to start. Then we will be providing that support mechanism to you along with the fellowship that you will get per month, that is around 30,000. Another, you would be exposed to the resources that are available at IIT Ropar, and amongst our network, I showed you that we have nearly 200 plus network of institutes with us. So we will be exposing. So it will be a kind of a testing period for you when you will decide whether your research has the potential to get it as a startup or not, and we will be happy to support you on that. Plus there are many other schemes, I would be talking about them, in which you can apply to us, and then together we can initiate your kind of a journey for a startup. The third mandate is human skilling and undertaking corporate social responsibility projects. So under human skilling, so we are sitting here for our IoT course under Awadh CPS Lab initiative. This is one of our initiatives that we have taken under human skilling, where we want to apprise everyone that what cyber physical system is all about, what are its applications to agriculture and water. And this is one course, that is Internet of Things, that we are doing here. There are many other courses that we are presently running. I would be sharing few of those courses. Few of them are online, few of them are being done in person at IIT Ropar. We would be happy to have you there also, where we can jointly work, we can jointly expose you to the much more things than IoT, than how we are doing our projects. You can be exposed to the user cases. So number of programs are going on. I would be sharing about them. Be active on LinkedIn. How many of you are active on LinkedIn? How many have you posted about yesterday's experience you had here? So then you are active on LinkedIn or you're just seeing LinkedIn. So every day make it a habit that you have to devote your 10 minutes to LinkedIn. So just visit our LinkedIn page, see what all we are introducing day in and day out. So be very active. So आज जाके आपने 10 मिनट निकाल लिए, just make a very nice post. Just click photographs at NIT Delhi campus. Just click photographs of the session. Put them because जहाँ पे आप tag, if you like you have heard me, you will tag me. Then whosoever is in my network list, they will also see what you have posted. You never know कहाँ से कहाँ connection मिल जाए and where you have been picked up. Some startup is looking for an IoT trainees. They will see that this person has got recently trained there and very active on social media, is talking everything about what were the learnings from the session. Then you never know where you are picked up. So be very active. Today's world is all about marketing. So you have to market your skills that you are acquiring day in and day out. So very active on that and try to make extensive network through it. And जितनी देर भी आपकी यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग है, make it sure that you have to post daily. You have to post whatever insights you have got from the session. अच्छा था, बुरा था, जैसे भी था. But try to be very active because this will also give you an exposure. When you write about all these things, you tentatively start making the connects there. जो बाकी कहाँ पे trainings हो रही है, बाकी कहाँ पे projects हो रही है, you will get exposed to all of them. Automatically वो suggestions में आने लगेंगे. जैसे AI की वजह से Instagram पे जो भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में चल रहा होता है वैसे वाली reels आनी शुरू हो जाती है. LinkedIn पे भी same होगा, आपको वैसी career opportunities आनी शुरू हो जाएंगी. So it's very helpful. Try to do that. जो Twitter use करते हैं, try to tweet about it. That is much more easier. 2 लाइनें लिखनी है उसमें तो, ठीक है? So be very active and make sure that you are posting every day and make an opportunity कि बीच में आपको lunch break में 10 मिनट you can take out and you can make a good post out of it. ठीक है? So then fourth is about collaboration and partnership. Now IIT Roper and NIT Delhi collaborated. That is the power of collaboration, that we are making these kind of skilling platforms across the country where students can come, researchers, innovators can come and they can learn about cyber physical system. Can we move to next? So yeah, these are the, can we go back? So these are mainly the schemes that we have with us. For IC-based technology development, you can directly write proposal to us. There is no specific format as such. If you go, you talk to your mentor, you talk to PI. If you see there is a potential of having a CTS technology application in agriculture and water, just write a proposal to us. That proposal should work at a prototype level. That is our only requirement because we are not solely focusing on R&D, but we are focusing on developing the technology on which you are working. If it is at some prototype stage, then make a nice proposal, send us a crisp proposal. We have a review committee. That review committee will analyze it and we would be happy to onboard you to validate your technology, to upgrade your technology and also to commercialize your technology. So I will request every one of you, once you go back to your institutes, talk to your professors there, talk to your teammates there, and if you want to avail such kind of opportunity to jointly develop the technology that would be directly the part of a national mission that government is running, we would be happy to provide that support to you, right? Then for startups, we have two specific programs. One is Sprint and one is Samriddhi. Once I come to the startup area, then I will discuss about it and about human skilling also. But you can see what amount of support that we are providing. So this projects up to 1 CR you can get the support. Okay. In Sprint, that is an early stage kit to make your startup. Up to 25 lakhs we provide support in that. Then once you have started your startup, you're doing good work, you started making revenue, you want to accelerate your journey, up to 50 lakhs we provide support in that. And under skilling, we have number of fellowships that are available, right at the graduate level, to postgraduate level, to doctorate level, then to postdoctoral, and then also to the faculty fellow. So there are number of internship calls that can be done. If you're interested, you show us your CV, write to us, then we would be happy to onboard you in some of our technology projects. We would be also happy to onboard you in our startups. Like you listen to Ubreathe, what work they are doing. Now they are excelling or entering into an IoT domain, they definitely need interns. So what we do, you are being associated with IIT Ropar, and this is one new mechanism that we want to introduce. If you are also associated with Awadh CPS lab at NIT Delhi, we would be happy to fund your fellowship, and you can directly work in a startup to get an exposure to startup also, and getting a joint certification for your internship from IIT Ropar also and from NIT Delhi also. So Anuragji, we can definitely do that. If some of the interns want to stay here, they want to be carried out as an intern, we would be happy to support that also for a period of 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, right? So these are the opportunities. You have to show your interest, you have to show your potential to us, and we would be happy to provide any kind of support that is required, right? So I will quickly move towards the technology development. These are few of the technology stats. I think so we can move to the next one. So these are few of the use cases. These are the actual technologies that we have made in IIT Ropar. The first technology, of course, Desraj is here. He is the core person who worked on this technology, how he brought IoT and AI together to solve a problem of livestock health monitoring. So there are a number of technologies that I will leave up to Desraj. You can reach back to us. He can explain how the components that are being placed in this lab were used to develop this full-fledged technology. And this is one technology that we have already commercialized. This is already in the market, and we are targeting to upgrade this technology and also to extensively deploy it across the entire country. We have started with Punjab. We recently had an interaction in Karnal also with NDRI. That's the only dairy research institute in the country. So this is how we are developing technologies. And why I wanted to show you what kind of technologies we have, because this all came from the components that you are being exposed during this training. So utilize, and you have a core person who has made this technology, so get maximum benefit out of it. Just eat his head and get maximum out of it. Just blast him with question. Of course, yesterday you guys had a very engaging session. It was till 6, I guess. So it was extended. So take maximum out of it. So rest, if we can just run through the technologies. I'm not giving the technical details of these technologies. Of course, Desraj is here. Rest of the mentors from NIT Delhi are here. You can have that discussion. But I just wanted to show what all technologies are there which actually came out from these areas only, and what are the application use cases which are already being deployed in the market. They are actually hit and being deployed not only nationally, like this technology, as you can see, the deployment is not only in India, across the country. So we from IIT Ropar, we are deploying these technologies across the globe. So the potential that these technologies are carrying, the revolution in agriculture and what it can bring. So just to showcase you, these technologies are there. This is one technology, if you can go back. So this is one technology. This is also a cyber physical system technology application. I don't think so Shubham or Sanjay talked about this. So this is the technology that we have commercialized to the U-Breed, because they have a plant system that leads to air quality monitoring and air quality management. Right, for monitoring, we have made this device for them that evaluates how much of carbon dioxide is there in the air. So now they are making a combo with their own plant. He must have showed you the plant's pots that helps in air quality management. So he would be making a combo with this device. So through the device, you will come to know how much of carbon dioxide is present in the room, and how the effect of a plant is helping in managing that quality, decreasing the level of carbon dioxide, and on real-time basis, you will get signals through this device. So we have commercialized this technology to our startup. That's a non-exclusive license. We are also deploying this to various government offices and many other industries to measure what kind of harmful gases are present in the atmosphere, and then we do the real-time monitoring on that basis. So this technology is also being developed with the same components that are available here. So these are few of the use cases which you all can definitely work upon. Right. We can go to the next. Yes, few of the technologies. There we can go to the next one. Technologies that are already being commercialized. They have been shown here. Then let me come to the people who have raised their hands, that you are interested to be a part of a startup or start your own venture. So what all things are there that we are there to offer you? If you can move to the next. So just to give you a glimpse how startup portfolio for IIT Ropar works, we are very proud to have nearly 100 plus portfolio of startups who are working with us. These startups are not only the matured startup you heard from Ubreathe, that's one of the matured startup, accelerating startup, but we have number of startups who have just started their journey and number of startups who have not even registered their DPIIT. So we are providing them every kind of support, that how you have to formulate a company, how you have to do the whole certification process, and wherever you have to grant the financials, how it works. When you heard about how investors invest during the Shark Tank, and I think so everyone have come across Shark Tank. वो equity की बातें करते हैं, revenue की, ROI की, ये सब बातें करते हैं. So that's all we teach to our startup, and then we also teach them, that is a very important aspect, it's the art of storytelling. कोई भी चीज़ को आपको बेचना है तो you have to make a very emotional story out of it. That's what you have done. जब वो pitch करते हैं तो how it starts, it gives you a kind of a storytelling art. वो pitch कैसे करना है आपने. So all of these things we tell to our entrepreneurs and startups who are associated with us, and we help them to get the money to start their own process. So this is just a portfolio, how many startups we have, how much we have invested, and how much in return they are making revenue and investments that they have procured from other sources. So these are the investment partners. You saw in Shark Tank 5 of them sitting there. So we have maybe 50 plus with us who listen to our startups, who listen to our entrepreneurs, and then make decision accordingly and invest in them. So this is one scheme, that is Samriddhi. So this is scheme when you have some product ready that is already been introduced in the market and you want to have a support in that. Up to 50 lakhs we provide support. So this program was launched by our water minister at that time, Shekhawat ji, and this was highly appreciated by the highest office of the country, by our Prime Minister himself. So this is the support up to 50 lakhs. We have carried out 3 such kind of Samriddhi programs. In बहुत simple है, इसकी हम call निकालते हैं, like on LinkedIn, we take out the call that we are looking for proposals in agri-tech, water tech, in AI, deep tech, CPS, all these domain areas we get. If you have a kind of an idea, you have a prototype, you have a product, you make a pitch deck. We call it startups के लिए, this is the term that we use. एक presentation बनानी होती है जिसको हम कहते हैं pitch deck, कि आपको pitch जब करना है, what all things it should have. तो वो पूरा format हम अपनी application में देते हैं, and then you have to apply in that. फिर हमारी अपनी review committee होती है that analyze it, and then we shortlist, and then we call you to IIT Ropar, जो हमारा main demo day होता है, जब आप demonstrate करोगे अपनी technology को, and जहाँ पे VCs बैठे होंगे, IIT Ropar as an investor बैठा होगा, बाकी government के लोग आएंगे, and then they play on the idea that you will present, and then it's shortlisted, then you are granted with money. ऐसे हमने समृद्धि के प्रोग्राम करवाए, तो अभी तक हमने 9 करोड़ पैसा जो है we have invested. So it's a great opportunity. Whosoever want to build a startup, just be very active on LinkedIn. हम regularly calls निकालते रहते हैं, and we also on our website you will find an incubation and acceleration onboarding form. If you have a pitch deck ready, you can directly apply there. हम regularly 1 महीने बाद, 2 महीने बाद हम सारी applications को scrutinize करते हैं. Then we will invite you for an kind of a pitch deck presentation, and then accordingly we can invest in you.
I will cover this, how to make this pitch deck. So I will cover this thing in my lecture. Okay. So I will cover so that they can make a particular pitch deck correctly, so that they can participate there.
Absolutely, and this is an open call also. अगर आप जो भी आपने सीखा है, कोई case study आप बना के you develop some kind of a proposal, we would be happy to listen to your pitch deck, and we would be happy to also give prize money for that to initially support you for this thing. So this we can definitely do. We can pick up 2 or 3 students.
We hope that after this program, all the group will prepare pitch deck with some.
Right. So they are divided in 3 people teams.
So
go for the 3 people team, 3 to 4.
So we can just best 2 or 3 teams which make good pitch deck, and they can participate there.
Absolutely.
And I will this thing in my lecture, how to prepare pitch deck for the startup. Okay.
Then एक और program है जो आपने पहले नाम सुना, sprint. As the sprint name it says, it's kind of a push to run. तो इसके लिए वी प्रोवाइड एन इनिशियल सपोर्ट दैट आपके पास सिर्फ पिच डेक है और आइडिया है, एंड देन वी सी दैट जब आपने पिच डेक की, वी सी दैट यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन दैट आइडिया, यू हैव दैट ज़ील टू do the work that you have presented. We would be happy to onboard you in our sprint. So sprint की खास बात क्या है, ये सब हम IIT रोपर में नहीं करते. We come to NIT Delhi, हमने यहाँ पे बच्चों को सुना, we thought that इनमें potential है, they want to pursue it. So we will give 25 lakhs to NIT Delhi to support those students. तो क्या आप जॉइंट इंक्यूबेशन हो सकता है, IIT रोपर का भी फायदा उठाएंगे, NIT दिल्ली का भी फायदा उठाएंगे. सो इस तरह हमने स्प्रिंट जहाँ जहाँ पे आपने ये मार्क्स लिखे हैं, हमने डिफरेंट जगह पे स्टेट्स में जाके ऐसे स्प्रिंट करवाए हैं. When you will go back to your institute, आपको लगता है वहाँ पे entrepreneurship बहुत budding है, and there are many entrepreneurs specifically who are working on agriculture and water. एक letter अपनी authority से लिखवाए. We would be happy to come there with a kitty of 25 lakhs. We would listen to you, what are your ideas, and we would be happy to invest also. So this is one opportunity that is again with all of you. So we would be happy to come there and also to support and tap the talent that is available there. ऐसे हमने स्प्रिंट करवाए काफ़ी जगह पे, और up to 2 CR we have invested in going to different places and selecting these startups from there. So basically इनमें स्प्रिंट के अंदर स्टार्टअप होना मैंडेटरी नहीं है, सिर्फ अगर आइडिया है और ज़ील है देन ऑल्सो वी पिक इट अप, एंड हम आपको इनिशियली 1-2 लाख की ग्रांट देंगे जिसमें आप फिगर आउट करोगे कि मैं स्टार्टअप करूँ या ना करूँ. हम आपको EIR की फेलोशिप भी देंगे, दैट विल हेल्प यू कि आप फाइनेंशियली बर्डन ना हो कि आपने पढ़ाई छोड़ी, अभी आप कमा नहीं रहे हो और आपको स्टार्टअप शुरू करना है, बट दैट 30,000 विल गिव यू दैट कम्फर्ट लेवल कि यू विल फिगर इट आउट. देन उसके बाद हम आपको लोन भी देते हैं. वंस यू स्टार्ट योर स्टार्टअप देन विल गिव यू लोन ऑफ 5 लाख 10 लाख, एंड वी विल सी कि प्रोडक्ट बना या नहीं बना. अगर प्रोडक्ट बन जाता है तो हम उसके आगे से आपको सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ सीरीज ऑफ सपोर्ट दैट वी प्रोवाइड यू. So other than that, these are all schemes that we are doing. जैसे स्मार्ट GIS है, जो भी जियोस्पेशियल टेक्नोलॉजीज पे काम कर रहे हैं उसकी एप्लीकेशन एग्रीकल्चर में क्या है, उसके लिए हमने स्पेसिफिक प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया था स्मार्ट GIS. ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन हम रेगुलरली अपने लिंक्डइन पे डालते रहते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग बी वेरी एक्टिव देयर, यू विल कम टू नो व्हाट ऑल अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर देयर. फिर आपने वाटर का देख रहे हो, वाटर का है जो स्पेसिफिकली वाटर टेक की प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज वाटर इज वन ऑफ द एरिया वेयर वी आर फोकसिंग. सो उसमें हमने अप्लाई किया इन वाटर, और दिस वाज द काइंड ऑफ अ सपोर्ट वी गेट फ्रॉम HDFC बैंक. HDFC ने हमें 90 लाख रुपए दिए और उन्होंने कहा कि आप स्टार्टअप्स पे इन्वेस्ट करो हु आर सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू वाटर. ठीक है, उसी तरह यू कैन सी स्वच्छ जैसे नाम ही है, दिस कॉल इज राइट नाउ ओपन. Anyone who has interest to work in area of sanitation, water, hygiene, उनके लिए स्वच्छ प्रोग्राम है. कोई भी आपके पास नोवेल सोल्यूशन है that is targeting the problems of hygiene condition in the country, water related problems, sanitation related problems, उसमें आप IoT लाना चाहते हो, CPS लाना चाहते हो, so you can directly apply on स्वच्छ. और स्वच्छ में जब हम आपको शॉर्टलिस्ट करेंगे तो हम आपको 8 मंथ्स की मेंटरिंग प्रोवाइड करेंगे जिसमें कि आपने अपने आप को कैसे रेडी करना है टू बी अ स्टार्टअप. सो उसके लिए यू कैन बी पार्ट ऑफ अ स्वच्छ एक्सेलरेटर. उसी तरह पुणे में जाके हमने इम्पैक्ट कॉन्क्लेव कराया था. सो नंबर ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स आर देयर, टाइम टू टाइम वी कम आउट. हमें जब टेक्नोलॉजी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट पता चल जाती है, जैसे नाउ वी आर प्लानिंग कि एग्री रेजिड्यू मैनेजमेंट इज अ बिग इशू स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, तो उसके लिए हम स्पेसिफिक चैलेंज लाए. जो ये स्टबल बर्निंग की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, दे ऑल वुड बी ऑनबोर्डेड इन दैट. लाइकवाइज यू विल कम टू नो व्हेन यू विल सी हाउ मेनी थिंग्स आर कमिंग देयर. This was just a glimpse. So just to give you an idea, already एक स्टार्टअप को आप आज मिले हो. सुब्रत का अनुराग जी कल है या परसों है? So there is one more startup founder, his technical officer, chief technology officer would be there with you guys. He will talk about an EggNext. EggNext एक company है, that's a Mohali based. It started as a startup. एक कमरे से शुरू हुआ था IIT खड़गपुर में, फिर वो बंदा मोहाली में वापस आया. उसने एक STPI, आई एम नॉट श्योर यू ऑल हैव हर्ड, सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क ऑफ इंडिया. इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट एंटिटी दैट प्रमोट सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी. सो वहाँ पे उसने एक कमरा रेंट पे लिया, ही स्टार्टेड हिज ओन स्टार्टअप, एंड नाउ ही हैज 1 full floor of STPI with 1000 nearly 1,000 employees there. So it's kind of a success story from where he started from one single room and now he has made its own startup. So unke CTO would be with you to explain their startup journey, and they are extensively working in IoT and AI domain, and they are also being incubated at IIT Ropar, and our team is directly providing them assistance for developing the core technologies that they are working on. So is तरह there are a number of examples. I will be leaving my presentation here. You can go through all these examples. This is Indra Water. Similarly, Bombay based हमारा incubator है, started from IIT Bombay के एक छोटे से room में, and now they have a kind of a 35 CR revenue making company. बहुत बड़ी company होगी, ITC को कर रही है, airports को resolve कर रही है, and this is working on simple mechanism electrolysis based water treatment. कोई हाई फाई चीज़ नहीं है, और इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस बेस्ड आप वाटर ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हो, साथ में आपने IoT के अपने सेंसर लगाए जो रियल टाइम आपको उसका रिजल्ट बता रहे हैं कि कितना वो आपका जो है वो वाटर ट्रीट हुआ या नहीं हुआ. बट द वे दे हैव मेड द होल थिंग एंड द वे दे हैव एक्सेलरेटेड द जर्नी इन अ वेरी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव मैनर, दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ अ मंत्रा फॉर देयर सक्सेस. सो टेक्नोलॉजी सिंपल है, बट एप्लीकेशन का वे क्या है, दैट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस फॉर स्टार्टअप. इसी तरह बाकी सब टेक्नोलॉजीज है, यू कैन डेफिनेटली लुक इनटू इट. जैसे दिस इज द वन जो हवा से पानी बना रहा है. बस जहाँ पे आजकल वाटर इज वन ऑफ द मेजर इशू दैट इज इम्पैक्टिंग द होल कंट्री. सो व्हाट ही इज डूइंग, ही हैज सम नोबल मशीन विद हिम, पेटेंटेड टेक्नोलॉजी है जो वाटर के वेपर्स प्रेजेंट है एयर में उनको अक्यूमुलेट करके ही इज मेकिंग वाटर बॉटल्स, एंड आपको वो फ्रेश क्लीन वाटर वहाँ से आपको मिलता है. So this ये जो device you can see around 2.5, 3.5 based on what is the volume that is being generated. They are selling this to different parts. जैसे राजस्थान में they have battery deal जहाँ पे ये provide करेंगे. Bangalore is also facing the problem. Delhi is also facing the problem. So it has many more potential. Right? We are thinking that in next 1 year they will generate a lot of revenue. इसी तरह बाकी सब है. You all can go through it. We will just skip them. और बाकी जो स्टार्टअप को इकोसिस्टम हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं, सो दे आर बीन 4 of our startups we are nominated in Forbes top 100 startups of India. So we provide them a holistic atmosphere कि आपको सिर्फ हम पैसा ही नहीं दे रहे, हम आपको सारी टेक्नोलॉजी दे रहे हैं, हम उनको वैलिडेट कर रहे हैं, हम आपको सारी सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. Whatever you want to ask us, we will create that environment for you to provide that support. Can move to the next part. Now we come to the skilling part. Skilling में these are few numbers, how much of skilling efforts we are doing. Definitely you all are now part of an IIT Ropar family also under our skill initiative. You can anytime write back to us if you want to do an internship at IIT Ropar. We would be happy to onboard you. If you want to be part of our technology project, we would be happy to support you. If you want to work in any of our startup, you can directly write to us and we would be happy to provide you any kind of support that is required. I'll just let you know if you come to the next one. So these are the fellowships we have. If all of you can see this, बाकी तो बहुत छोटा है. You can see we have fellowships, UG fellowships है हमारे. Sorry, you can have. So हमारे पास undergraduates जितने students हैं, we have specific fellowships. If you will work for us 6 months or 10 months, जैसे भी है आपका. So we have a fellowship amount of 8,000 for UG students. For PG students, it is 12,000 per month. Then if you want to pursue PhD with us, we have specific fellowship matching what government offers to you as a JRF, SRF. Then there is postdoctoral fellowships, faculty fellowships, chair professor fellowship. These are the numbers जो हमने अभी तक provide की हैं. And our focus is to build the UG CPS resource so that we send you either to a technology projects or we send it to your startups, we send you to MSMEs where you can work, you can explore the skills that you have learned under our skilling program. So ऐसे बहुत से हैं जो हमारे जो projects हैं जिनके बारे में अभी हमने दिखाया. So number of interns from different institutes they stay with us for 6 months, for 9 months and they are continuing also. कितना retention rate है हमारा? जितने आते हैं जैसे हमारे पास जैसे आप कोर्स करने आए हो, जो हमारे पास कोर्स करने आए जिनकी बहुत अच्छी रेपो बन जाती है, they show a lot of interest in our technological projects. Then many of them have been retained by us. They are working with us. है ऐसे काफी हैं.
Around 70% होगा.
70%. So 70% को हम retain रखते हैं देशराज के साथ one of he is also he joined us as an intern. Aman.
Yes, Aman, the
Ah.
guy with me below, and his classmates, I guess, 5 of them. So depending upon their performance, they are getting, I guess, package of 5+ within 3 to 4 months, because they are excelling in their coding domain, as well as they are also excelling in hardware part. As you have already know, last session we have already taken yesterday, in that we have an introduction of how hardware is connected, how we have to work on hardware. Now today's session will be about firmware, how we can just write a program and get the things working.
So I just wondered why this number 70% is a huge number. आप हमारे पास ट्रेनिंग करने आए थे, इंटर्नशिप करने आए थे, हमने आपको रोक लिया और अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स का पार्ट बना दिया. And then like he said, the journey that started as an intern, then you become a firmware engineer with a software engineer, hardware engineer, और आपका salary component also gets double and triple in just few months. So this is just a journey जो हम आपको एक platform provide कर रहे हैं. Come work with us, learn the skills with us, and then you can be part. And as NIT Delhi is also a spoke institute, we would be happy to support you in NIT Delhi also if you work on some specific projects there. So this is all about our CPS lab initiative. ऐसी जो labs हैं हमने बाकी सब जगह पे, you can see 9 of them, we have made them. जो लोग इस region को cater करते हैं, they can definitely reach to the CPS labs which are existing in these institutes also. And with NIT Delhi, we are very proud. NIT Delhi के साथ हमारी पहली lab बनी थी यहाँ पे, and this is the first course that has been started with NIT Delhi. And we are simply very proud. And any kind of support you require from NIT Delhi, from IIT Roper, we are just away one message or one email. Right, and I hope so you all will get loads of benefit out of it, and you are fully aware NIT Delhi में क्या क्या है. Now with this presentation you are fully aware IIT Roper में क्या क्या है. So we are part of the same family. You can definitely reach out to us, and I hope so आप लोग बहुत अच्छा करोगे इस प्रोग्राम में, so that आप में से जो बेस्ट 2 या 3 टीम्स होंगी जो कि अपना पिच डेक बहुत अच्छा देंगी, we would be happy to onboard you all as our interns, and then you can also join. NIT Delhi कर सकते हो या IIT Roper भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ये these are the glimpses where all we have made our labs, and this is about the schools को हम कैसे promote कर रहे हैं. So जब हम skilling की बात करते हैं, skilling is not only for all of you, it is also for school children who are not aware. जिन्होंने +1 +2 में जब साइंस लेनी है, नॉन मेड ले या मेड ले, कॉमर्स ले, वो फिगर आउट करने में वी हेल्प देम कि AI, CPS जैसी चीज़ें क्या है, so that you will take your stream accordingly. If you want to make career in this domain, how you can do. We have number of programs that we are running for school children. We call them as joy of computing, because in a very fun loving manner we tell them what is the joy behind the engineering also. So engineering is not always a boring subject to do. There is loads of joy. In a very joyful manner we are teaching them what AI is all about, what is the science behind ChatGPT. Everyone is using ChatGPT. What is the science behind that? So we are teaching them to the school children also, and also how engineering can be brought to it, rescue the environment. So these are number of programs that we have, the skilling programs for your cyber physical systems, specific applications in agriculture and water. We have number of workshops, we have specific programs for women entrepreneurs, and there you can see multiple things that we have under our skilling initiative. You all can get access of it through our website, through our LinkedIn page also. So this is one thing. Another 2-3 minutes I think so I will take. समर इंटर्नशिप हमने लास्ट ईयर शुरू की थी. दिस इज अ वेरी वंडरफुल कॉन्सेप्ट. इसमें हम आपको 2 महीने की ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट मंथ इज एक्सटेंसिव ट्रेनिंग, जिसमें आपके ट्यूटोरियल्स भी होते हैं और हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस भी होते हैं. पहले महीने में आप ट्रेन हुए, सेकेंड महीने में वी विल फ्लो टेक्नोलॉजी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, जो आई थिंक सो देशराज यू आर आल्सो डूइंग इट है. इनको प्रॉब्लम्स दे रहे हो, फिर आपकी जो टीम है वो प्रॉब्लम्स के ऊपर काम करती है, और एंड में आप अपना pitch deck देते हो, which phenomena we are doing it here also. So this we started with Energy Mentors करके US की एक फर्म है, उनके साथ collaboration में हमने किया. And US की फर्म में you can see what is the grand prize that they have given. हमने तो प्राइज दिया ही, जो बेस्ट टीम जिसने वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व की, जो हमने टेक्नोलॉजी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट दी थी, 5 बच्चों की टीम ने मिलकर काम किया एंड दे बैग 10,000 ग्रैंड प्राइज। और हमारी पिच डेक जो बच्चों की इतनी अच्छी थी कि उनको सिर्फ एक ही नहीं, उनको 3 ऐसे अवार्ड्स देने पड़े। So they invested around 30,000 as a prize money, and out of the whole exercise ये जो हुई, बच्चों ने IIT रोपर के थ्रू patents फाइल किए, industrial designs फाइल किए, and we are very happy to state we got 9 industrial design and we got up to 10 patents out of this, जो कि क्या है, IIT रोपर is an assignee but inventor कौन से, हमारे बच्चे जो team who worked in this। So number of fabulous opportunities can come। अभी आपके पास कोई प्रोटोटाइप ऐसा, कोई क्रिएटिव कोई भी चीज़ निकलती है, we would be happy to also grant to apply it to grant a patent to industrial design या trademark बनाना चाहते हो, अगर आप उसका IP करवाना चाहते हो, so we will provide support for that also, right? So these are few recognitions our institute and our Awadh has got, and we can skip this one. We can skip this one. I think so. We are good to go. We can come to the last slide. We can come to the इससे पहले वाली। So human skilling में और IIT रोपर में क्या होने वाला है? Be very active, be very tuned. अगर आप AI में you want to make your mark, we are launching AI for भारत, जो हमने National Skill Development Corporation के साथ किया है। इसकी खास बात ये है AI for everything और by everyone। So कोई भी है, चाहे आपकी मम्मा है, पापा है, भाई बहन, whatever the age is, whatever the occupation is, we will teach you AI। So AI for भारत, तो हमने उसको different modules में डिज़ाइन किया है, जो कि already जैसे AI में जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, जो already you are part of a course, उनके लिए हमने different modules रखे हुए हैं। Who are new to it, उनके लिए different modules हैं, and a very cost effective, आप अपने regular course के साथ additional IIT रोपर के साथ certification में AI ले सकते हैं, AI के ऊपर ट्रेनिंग ले सकते हैं। That is in addition to what you are already doing। जैसे आप लोग अपना कोर्स कर रहे हो, उसके साथ साथ एडिशनल IIT रोपर सर्टिफाइड AI ट्रेनिंग यू कैन गेट। सो दिस इज AI फॉर भारत प्रोग्राम। ऑलरेडी हमारा एक बूट कैंप AI पे चल रहा है, दैट इज AI विचारणाशाला, वेयर AI हाउ इट इज इम्पैक्टिंग योर थॉट प्रोसेस, इसके ऊपर हम डेली ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। जैसे आपके यहाँ पे हो रहा है, वहाँ पे हम बूट कैंप कर रहे हैं, जो वो दिन में पूरा सीखते हैं, रात को हम उनको एक्टिविटी देते हैं, नॉर्मल डे टू डे एक्टिविटी। रात को जैसे सोना है, अगर उस पर AI का आप कुछ लगा रहे हैं, तो व्हाट कैन बी द इम्प्लीकेशंस। So this is a very interesting boot camp that we are already doing. ऐसे हम आगे फ्यूचर में भी करेंगे, so be tuned to what we are doing. You can be part of these things. And ये हमारे residential courses हैं जो already अवध CPS labs में हो रहे हैं। Right, so you all are welcome to IIT रोपर। आप कभी भी आए। These are few things that we are going to make. We are making farm of future, जहाँ पे सारी emerging technologies हम present करेंगे, where you can come, you can play with these technologies and see what is the power of technologies in agriculture. Then we are making innovation experience center with Dassault। सबको पता है Dassault is a very good company, and जो अपने tools provide करते हैं, जब आपने अपनी टेक्नोलॉजीज को सर्टिफाई करना है, कहाँ से आपने वो टूल्स यूज़ किए। सो वी हैव गॉट नियरली 9,000 टूल्स की उनकी एप्लीकेशन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट इन काइंड, जो मैंने शुरू में शो किया था 140 CR की इन्वेस्टमेंट की है उन्होंने। सो वी वुड बी प्रोवाइडिंग दैट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट टू आवर स्टूडेंट्स हु वुड बी पार्ट ऑफ इट। सो यू वुड बी एक्सपोज टू Dassault tools. So with this, I end my presentation. Anyone have any query, I would be happy to address that. And more importantly, you can reach out to me, you can reach out to Desraj, many of my team members, if you can just go. So rest are our team members. Next, yeah, these are team members. You can find them on LinkedIn. You can write us on LinkedIn. We are very active there, and we would be happy to support. जिसके पास भी कोई idea है, कुछ भी करना चाहते हो, इंटर्नशिप करना चाहते हो, आपको लगता है प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम करना चाहते हो, देशराज को तो पकड़ ही लो, इसको पूछो मेरे को आपके साथ प्रोजेक्ट करना है, क्या प्रोसेस है, कैसे करना है, देन nothing is difficult. You can just come to us and we would be happy to support you, right? And all the best for the program and take maximum out of it. और बाकी अपना काम तो करो ही करो। अब रेजिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम की एक और खास बात बहुत होती है, when you make new friends, you can also gel up and you can go out and also explore this wonderful national capital city of our country, and मज़े भी करो और पूरा अपना मन लगा के नई चीज़ें सीखो। और use cases, you should be very exposed to the use cases so that you can make another use case for yourself in that, right? All the best to you, all of you. Yeah.
मेरी एक क्वेरी है कि जैसे अवध के नाम से
बहुत क्लियर है कि एग्रीकल्चर और वाटर सिर्फ इन्हीं दो सेक्टर से जुड़े हुए स्टार्टअप्स में ही आप सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं?
So 70% of the startups in agriculture and water, 10% are in EdTech sector की education के लिए हम कैसे अपनी CPS technologies कर रहे हैं, and rest 10% है जो miscellaneous है, कुछ health care में है, कुछ जिनमें हमें लगता है कि deep tech बहुत है, cyber physical system बहुत है, so we also provide support to them. पर primarily हम अगर agriculture दिख जाए, water दिख जाए तो हम automatically attract हो जाते हैं, otherwise आपको attract करना पड़ेगा.
Storage management for agriculture products that will also come under
this also comes, yes. Storage के लिए we have few technologies also जो सबसे पहले लॉट में पहले साल में निकली थी, but that is also very important part.
मैम आपके साथ जो स्टार्टअप्स अभी काम कर रहे हैं उनमें से वाटर पे या वाटर रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स पे कुछ स्टार्टअप्स होंगे?
हाँ, we have nearly 12 startups who are working on water. जैसे I showed you the water innovation challenge, एक water करके बना हुआ था, तो उसके अंदर we have recently onboarded 5 more startups. So you can get that information from our website and also from our LinkedIn page, जिनको हमने introduce किया है. These are the winners, which when we launched this program, I think so that day we concluded the water winners of ours. We have nearly 12 to 13.
Ma'am, will it be possible for you to, connect?
Absolutely.
Ma'am, my question is, say I'm a faculty in a college, so without moving anywhere, I want to start as we have done.
You have our CPS, that is kind of an advantage. You can utilize the components there. You can, if you wanted additional support from there only, you can write to us. Anyways, जब हमारी लैब बन गई है तो हर 3 महीने 6 महीने में हमारा चक्कर तो लगना ही है, and then we would be happy to onboard you from Tulas and but supported by IIT Roper.
Okay. So we'll be getting all those facilities which you
Yes, yes. So जब आपकी requirement हो, then you can come to IIT Roper, अपना काम किया, अपने जो भी आपको facilities को करना है utilize वो करके you can.
So I can utilize all your funding facilities from there.
Yes, yes. There is no requirement that you have to be physically with us, and most of them are working hybrid with us. जब उनको काम है, जब उनको research facility use करनी है, they come to us, they do their work and go back.
मैम फुल स्टार्टिंग ये स्टार्टअप हम जब कोई भी स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करेंगे तो आइडिया शुड बी पेटेंटेबल.
नहीं, आइडिया को आप पेटेंट नहीं करवाओगे, पर आइडिया अगर उसमें जान है ऑलरेडी तो आप हमें पिच करोगे, हम आपको थोड़ा सा पैसा देंगे, सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करेंगे, आपको पुश देंगे कि येस गो एंड स्टार्ट विद इट. और जैसे जैसे उस पर आपका काम शुरू होता है, आईटी इज़ वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग जो हम वी विल ऑल्सो टेक केयर, वी विल फाइल इन आईटी. एक बार वो फाइल हो गया देन इट इज काइंड ऑफ अ सेफ, यू आर इन अ सेफ जोन एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. तो आइडिया को नहीं हम पेटेंट करें, आइडिया को प्रोटोटाइप में जब कन्वर्ट करोगे ऑन प्रोसेस से वी विल गो फॉर आईटी फाइलिंग. Chalo, great then. We had a very good session and all the best.
As Dr. Radhika suggested, all of you are over LinkedIn. So whatever pictures you are taking here and there, please tag to everyone.
Tag NIT Delhi को करो, IIT Roper को करो, so that जो इनका नेटवर्क है, जो हमारा नेटवर्क है, हम सबका नेटवर्क can see you what you are doing.
It is free advertising. Okay. Whoever will be tagged, he will tag again, so all person can see what actually you are doing. So as she suggested, somebody can see you are doing this course. If some requirement will come, they can hire you. So you do all this thing. You take pictures over these banners are there. So any of you have taken picture with the banner? Anyone?
Banners के साथ बस they are so good.
किसी ने लिया पिक्चर बैनर के साथ जो हम लोगों ने बड़े बड़े बाहर लगाए? किसी ने नहीं लिया? हाँ तो लिया है तो so you should tag over LinkedIn with your friends. So they can see what
सब लोग, not only posters. I mean NIT Delhi के starting में ही there are few things which attract.
Awadh IIT Roper also. So people can see where you are, what are you doing. So these messages can be spread. And we are launching one YouTube channel also with our CPS Lab and IIT Delhi. So all the videos should be put over there. And he will also tag everyone. आप उनको टैग कर देना जो ये मैडम करती है ना, जितने भी सीक्वेंस को सबको कर देना.
सब because we make it a habit. हाँ, DST ministry सब जगह टैग करो so that कोई बंदा रहे ना जो आपको ना देख पाए. So you have to advertise yourself. और वो बेस्ट तभी होगा जब आप बाकियों को भी साथ में लूप में लेके चलोगे.
and you have some small groups and you start thinking some innovative problem. Now you have enough idea what you can do. It is not only IoT, it is use of IoT and can convert it into some product. And some student good is in AI, so ask him to work over AI. One student will take care about the hardware. Start thinking about development of a product and create a small prototype. Deshraj is here. So if you will make good friendship, then definitely even he is not here, then you can always feel he is with you. So you can call him online or over the phone. These people are always available. Okay. So don't say you don't have any resource. You have resource and it's upon you. And at last we will have some pitch deck competition. And if all are good, all may qualify. Don't think that it is a competition. So it is basically we are looking some novel and idea which is, see, don't make any factual problem which cannot be done. So if you are coming with problem, please suggest the solution also. Maybe solution is not available now, but whatever you are thinking, so that we can see, yes, this problem is good, novel, societal and can be solved, whatever you are proposing, then definitely you will get. And what is the current status in the India? It is also an important part. And if any company is there who is making the product, is this company earning something or not? Suppose you are proposing some product, it is only for charity, nobody can earn, so it is not useful. Okay. So we will discuss at that time when we will see about pitch deck part. Okay, fine. Thank you, Dr. Radhika, for your awareness about all the program. And she has discussed the important thing, because budget is very much important to start anything. Without money, nobody can do anything. And you can avail this scholarship also. So if some BTech student is interested in that area, definitely you will be interested after the program. So you can ask, you can submit a proposal and ask internship amount. So you will get 8,000 and you can work over that problem. So what is the issue? Same thing can be done by MTech students, because all people are looking for problem, na? They are not getting any problem. So problem you can identify during this during your stay here. Na? Okay, so thank you, Dr. Radhika, for your.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Dr. Anurag Singh to present the memento to Dr. Radhika Shekhawat.